jungle safari turned out pretty good. It's a jungle safari. Over here, I just did some simple artwork like I normally would do, and then arrows and stuff, and then I did the T-Rex stamp of approval. Holds 6 shells. Get the F off my lawn. I was going to put the lettering in Viking runes, but I changed my mind. Cold steel Kukri, razor sharp. You can't beat those things. They're awesome. This is my Hatfield I've had for years and years and years. This is the takedown that I use for my pack, and there she is. Pretty cool. Got the snaps on the back. You just pop that sucker out from the back or the front. This one here is just kind of more for looks. It doesn't really function as anything. This is the one you're going to want to split the sheath open to get inside of it. And in here, full survival kit, ferro rod, all your survival items you're probably going to need. Little trinkets. I went ahead and went with a full-size compass inside there, so thought that'd be nice to have. But a little fire starting and stuff and whatever. You could have done a ferro, I could have done a ferro rod right here, but everybody does ferro rods. I could have done the holes so you can tie it to your leg. Everybody does that. I figured I'd just keep it like this, nice and simple. So lanyard I can take off. I got tired of unraveling my lanyards. It got kind of annoying. Anyways, let's bring it down here. Get a better look at it from the top view. There you go. It's pretty nice. I like it. Tell me if you like it, and share with your buddies. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. God bless you guys. Rainbows and unicorns. Take care.